2-6 switched up. Like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah. Get with it and get rolled over, man.
What up, YouTube? Back again with another one. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's your boy Switched Up 2-6 here. Hey, we back to talk about the RC lowriders, man. Red Cat, you know, it's always a favorite topic. So, today, man, just gonna talk about a little bit what we got going on, guys. Like I said, I always got parts laying around. I'm always purchasing parts, man. Got some new parts that came in. I got the convertible boot for the gold digger, guys. So I've been looking at paints, man, looking at Tamarix paints. I think I want to go with a peanut butter color, man, instead of like a peanut butter color. But I haven't been able to find the right shade, man. I want to go like like almost light brown, peanut butter lookish. You know what I'm saying? So we can deck out the interior. We just got a few extra parts laying around, man. We still got these Red Cat lowrider springs, man. And we also, man, I'm gonna throw it up in the description. Go back and check out that short, man, if you ain't seen that yet. Jevries just got some True 13 back in stock, guys. This time we ordered the two-tone golden chrome, and then we ordered an all set of chrome, guys. So, you know, these things they always out of stock, man. So when I was able to, I checked it out this morning. I'm always on the site, back and forth, different sites, man, just trying to see what's available. And they was available, man. So I went ahead and ordered 2 pair. I ordered a lanyard, and I actually ordered those extended arms adapters that Jevries has put out, man. We're gonna give them a shot, man, to see how they look, man. Just get some different looks, man. We do have another set of camber hardware right here, man. So I don't know what's gonna go on what just yet, man. You know, we still got that Monte Carlo. We had that thing cambered out, man. We gotta jump back on that. I've been having problems with the springs, guys. As you can see, check that out. And everybody's been out of stock on the springs, man. I've been looking like at least once a week, trying to find a set of springs, man. I might just end up going back with the factories, or do some research and try to figure out how I need to stiffen it up or make it do what it need to do, man. Because like right now, there's no bueno, man. She's just going up and down by herself, so I really don't like that. So we got to figure out something with that, man. But what my plan is, guys, is I've been looking at the show chassis, y'all. If you ain't seen that, man, I'm gonna put it up right here in the description. If you ain't seen that, man, go to Candy and Chrome and check that out, man. This is actually one of the Candy and Chrome editions. Go check out that show chassis. It is available on Red Cat as well, guys. So I'll make sure I put that in the description if you just want to get it from a authorized, the main distributor anyway. Candy and Chrome is an authorized dealer of Red Cat lowriders. So they do offer that show chassis with the engraving kit, man, with it, man. So that's a big plus, man. It's actually the same price. So I would suggest that you go to Candy and Chrome and get that, because they will throw in my light failed, guys. They will throw in the engraving package with it, man. That's a bonus, same price, man. Antenna's kind of whoopy, guys. I'm bending them up a little bit, man. You know, you always notice stuff at the wrong time. But they do offer it with the chassis with the engravings, man. So that's a bonus, man. Same price as the show chassis from Red Cat. It's just you get the upgrades, man. So I suggest you do that. So my plan is, man, I think we're gonna do a Frankenstein, cuz however you say it, Frankenstein. You know what I'm talking about. We're gonna modify some stuff, man. We're gonna modify some stuff. So my plan is to get that show chassis, man, from Candy and Chrome, and with the engraving sticker. So my plan is, man, I want to do both the cars. I want to do the 59 and this 64, guys. So I think my plan is to take off the chrome parts, like the rear end, control arms, all that accessories, put it on one, and then take the chassis itself, meaning the bottom, like the whole bottom plate, like the whole bottom pan frame, whatever you want to call it, not the frame rail itself, but the platform, that is all chrome as well, man, and use it on the other one. So we're gonna basically Frankenstein the show chassis, man. So I think that's gonna be my plan, man. I haven't ordered it yet. But I've been brainstorming, man, about it all day, man. Thinking about looking at the pictures, seeing what I want to do, guys. So I think that's what we're gonna get into, man. We're gonna wait for the Jevries to come in. You know, it's gonna take a couple weeks to get them in from where he's located. I forgot where he's at, but you know he's not in America, so it's gonna take about 2 weeks to get those in, 2-3 weeks probably. Like these last ones that I ordered, it took about 2-3 weeks for it to show up, man. So we're gonna wait on those. Meanwhile, man, I think I'm gonna go ahead and order that show chassis, man, so we can get some. We can start our Frankenstein project, man. Again, we got the I got the custom RC lowrider trailing arms, guys, and I do have it in the two-tone golden chrome, man. So I'm gonna switch it up, man. I'm gonna do two-tone on one and then chrome and paint on the other. So that's gonna be my plan, guys. We're just gonna wait for the parts to start coming in, man, and then we're gonna start decking stuff out, man. Next RC video honestly might be us laying the convertible boot down on the gold digger and designing our interior, guys, getting our interior right. I'm gonna do some research, see if I can figure out that. Hopefully to get that down pat, man. And we're just gonna wait for parts to come in, guys. So we're gonna jump to the gold digger next, and then probably back to the 79. Hopefully we can get some shocks or something figured out. Or either if I don't get it figured out in the next we're gonna probably just put the factories back on it, man, until we're able to get our hands on another set, or I'm able to modify the ones that I have on here to get them a little bit stiffer, maybe the whole end, or who knows, guys. But man, y'all keep it locked for me, man. Y'all take a moment, man, hit this. There on my light again, guys. Wait a minute. We're gonna edit this. Y'all take a moment, man, for me. Y'all take a moment, man. Hit that subscribe button, man. Hit your post notification bell so you stay up to date on what we got going on. And share it as well, man. Y'all keep it locked, man. I appreciate y'all, man. We'll see you on the next one. We out.